Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you use self-assessment tool on DHA Sheryan portal. Remember, you can take your DHA exam without going through this self-assessment process, but to be registered as a health professional in Dubai, you always need to go through the self-assessment and data flow process. So basically DHA use this self-assessment tool to check either you are eligible to be registered as a health professional in Dubai or not. Before starting, I will request you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel to have latest updates and study materials for ProMatic exams. Without wasting your time, let's start it. So first of all, we will move to the Sheryan portal. I'll get that link and I will log in first. If you haven't logged in first, you have to get information and log in first into the Sheryan portal. On the top left corner, you can see the professionals section, and after scrolling down here we can see the new applicants section. I'll click that, and the step 1 is self-assessment tool. I'll click the self-assessment tool section. After scrolling down, I can see that here I can go for the self-assessment process. I'll click that, and we will move to another interface. Here they are asking me about the category I am applying for. You can select your category, whatever your category is. Either you are a physician, dentist, nurse, allied health, or TNCM. So I'll go to allied health and move to the next section. So here they are asking about the specialization. You can choose your specialty. I'll choose the pharmacy. Okay, move to the next section. So on the next section they are asking what title are you applying for. So I'll select pharmacist. Moving to the next, they are asking me about the nationality. So you can put your nationality, whatever it is. I'll select Pakistan. The next section they are asking which degree do you hold relevant to this position. So my degree is Doctor of Pharmacy. The next section they are asking about which country did you complete this degree from. So I can select the country. Obviously it's Pakistan. You can select your country. It can be either India or Nepal or Bangladesh, whatever it is, you can select that. Now they are asking me about my degree duration. So if it's B Pharm, obviously it should be at least 4 years, and if it's Pharm D or Doctor of Pharmacy, it should be at least 5 years. Okay, so I will select the date of my degree duration, right? And I will select the option from here, the start date, and here I will select the end date. It should be minimum of 5 years, right? Otherwise they will reject this process, or you can say you can fail this process and you won't be able to go through the data flow. All right, so now they are asking, do you have the relevant experience? Yes, I have. Now they are asking me about the experience date from start to the end, right? So it should be at least 2 years for pharmacy or pharmacists, and 2 years for the nurses, and it should be 2 years for doctors as well after the internship. So if you are a doctor or physician, there should be at least 1 year of internship after your graduation, and after the internship there should be 2 years, minimum 2 years of experience to go for the data flow process. So here I will select the date for my experience, and it should be minimum of 2 years, otherwise they will reject it, right? They should be, you can manage your dates, whatever it is, or according to your experience certificate, whatever they have mentioned there, you have to select that, and it should be minimum of 2 years, right? Otherwise they will fail you in this process. Now they are asking where did you complete your experience. So you have to mention the country from where you have completed your experience, I select Pakistan. Now they are asking, do you want to add another experience? No, I don't want. Now moving to the next, they have given me the summary about whatever information I have given them. I'll go to the results section, and here you can see that they are telling me that I am eligible to become a registered health professional in UAE. So this was it, guys. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till the next time, have a good day.